Bella, tell everybody what happened on Halloween.
It was
Say Sam the donkey.
Sam the dog
What'd he do?
and bite your neck and down on the back.
He stepped on your back? Yeah, but it was an accident, right? Yeah. But you're doing okay now? You feel much better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, let's see. See, we got a broken collarbone, but the doctor said it should heal really fast, right? Yeah. And we got a little bit of scrapes on her face. And then this is where he bit her. But she's feeling much better. Hold on. Let's show him your back, Bella. It's all right. And then that's where he stepped on her. Very lucky. But we have a smiley face now, huh? Say we're happy.
We're happy.
And we got a smiley face band-aid. And we all got these matching cool bracelets. Cool, huh? Yeah. Daddy's got one too, huh?
I know it.
Say, okay, say, and Mama, and Papa,
And Mama,
Mimi,
and Papa,
and Mikey, and Grandma Beeler, and Uncle...
Mama,
and Uncle Brian, and Aunt Renee, and everybody.
and
Say, we're gonna come see you guys in a few weeks. Say,
I see you guys.
I love you.
I love you.
Blow kiss, give him a kiss. Mwah.
Yeah.
Say, love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.